Is it safe, Grammy?
It'll be all right. I used to play right here. It's so broken now. We can fix it, honey.
Everything will be okay.
Grandma.
Almost ready, kids. Is the soup done?
It smells good, Grandma.
Just a few more minutes.
Hello, Mrs. Thompson. I'm Mike.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here.
We're ready to get this fixed for you. The damage here goes all the way to the sill plate.
We'll need to reinforce the foundation before we do anything else. Yes, this has been like this for years. Thank you for helping. All right, I got it here. Check that figure. Okay, I'm writing it down. Let me see, is this the right spot?
Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
All right, so if we open this wall here, we gain 2 feet.
That's what I measured. Fits perfectly.
And that connects to the new porch. We ready for this?
We can start next week.
Perfect.
Sounds great.
Keep stacking the boards over there.
All right, I've got these branches for the chipper.
Watch the little ones, Grandma. They're getting too close. Keep it organized. Almost got this one. Check that beam. Measure twice, cut once.
Looks good, let's secure it.
Needs to go higher. Let's bring in the new piece. It's taking shape.
The loose concrete is cleared.
Digging out the soil. Measure the rebar properly.
Preparing the reinforcement area.
Measure twice.
Hold that there.
Looks good now. Measure twice.
Perfect. Perfect.
Grab another 2x4.
Look how fast they work.
It's almost done.
They've installed the new siding.
Line it up. Got it. Ready for the next one. Almost done, everyone.
Looks perfect.
Thanks for the hard work. No problem.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Measure twice, cut once.
One.
Almost there with the insulation on the left.
Grab that sheet. Let's get it ready.
Watch for gaps, we need a perfect fit.
Keep it tight there. Looks good. Watch the box. Keep it smooth.
Wow.
Looking good. Needs a bit more right there.
Just the corners left.
Finish the ceiling.
Looks like they did a great job. Wow, it's so white now. Can we go inside?
Look how much they've done already.
It's looking beautiful.
I love the new color.
Look, the last section is almost done.
Wow, it looks so good.
Can we go up there yet?
Almost done. Great work, everyone.
Looks perfect.
Thank you, guys. Have a great evening.
Bye.
All right, next board here.
Yep, looking good.
Almost done, kids. Just the railing now.
Perfect.
Almost done. Looking good.
Let's test it.
Everything's running smooth. Great job, team.
Grandma, look!
It's perfect.
Thank you, gentlemen.
We need to test the pressure on the copper line. Hand me the adjustable wrench, please.
Looking good. Let's turn the water on.
The pressure.
Look at that. It's almost done. Wow. It looks so good, Grandma.
Almost there. Looking good. Perfect. Oh, it's wonderful.
So cool.
It's so shiny.
Oh, it looks amazing.
Yes.
We love it.
Glad you like it.
Look at it go.
Ah,
Wow, it's so fast.
it's almost finished.
Amazing work, thank you.
Look at it, it's so beautiful. Wow, it's all done. It's amazing.
All right, doors are in.
Looks good.
Let's finish the trim. Kids, come see. Measure, cut, fit.
Looks good.
Almost there. All right, let's vacuum. Nice.
Secure the bracket. Checking the wire connections. Looks perfect. Turn them on.
Almost done, just a few adjustments.
Look, it's finished.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
All right, measure twice. The bed is done, let's lift it. Looks perfect near the window.
It's beautiful, thank you.
Look, Grandma, a new bed.
Look, the new furniture is finished. Wow. It's perfect, Grandma.
Look at this beautiful room.
It's amazing.
It's perfect, Grandma.
Keep rolling the edges. Hand me the broom. Look at the flowers. Look, the porch is finished. Wow. Wow. It's beautiful.
Oh my, it's beautiful. Wow, look at this. Just look at this. Oh, it's just perfect. Look at this fridge. I want to sit here. Isn't it wonderful?
Yes.
So soft. Oh, it's just perfect.
It's so beautiful, Grandma.
We're glad you like it.
Almost done.
Looking good. All right, loading up now.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
Wow.
Look, Grandma.
Look at them go. They love it here.
We're having so much fun.
The house turned out perfect.
You two make my day. We love you, Grandma. You're the best.
All right, everyone's got their food now.
This looks delicious, Grandma.
The chicken smells so good.
I love you.
I love you too, Grandma.
Watch this train go. Watch it.
That's wonderful. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I can't believe it.
Look at my room.
Wow, Grandma, look.
Come here, my dears. Time to rest.
Coming, Grandma.
Wait for me. Welcome. We're so glad you're here. We brought some food to share. Wow, the porch looks amazing. We love it. Come in, everyone. You want to try some? Oh, thank you, sweetie. It looks delicious. Watch out, here comes the block tower. No, you got it. Look at everyone here. This is so wonderful.
So glad we're home.
Me too, Grandma.
It's beautiful here.
Look at it, children. Everything's just how we wanted it.
It's so beautiful, Grandma.
Can we explore the garden now?
Breakfast is ready. Wow. Dig in. That's where we built our first home.
It's so beautiful now.
I wish I could have seen it then.
Thank you all so much. It's been our pleasure. Looks great. We love it. Glad we could help. The renovation is incredible.
We're so happy to be home.
Cheers to the team. Thank you so much for everything.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye. All right, kids, here we are.
Yay! Look at the flowers, Grandma.
They'll be here tomorrow, sweetie. Let's go in.
And that was your grandfather. He loved climbing mountains.
Really?
Yes, look at his face here.
He's so happy.
He was.